At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a CDL, commercial driver's license, trucking company can be a significant endeavor, but with careful planning and execution, it can be rewarding. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the trucking industry, including regulations, market demand, competition, and potential challenges. Define your business goals, target market, and niche within the trucking industry. Create a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, strategies, financial projections, and operational plans. 2. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain all necessary licenses and permits to operate a trucking company. This includes obtaining a USDOT, United States Department of Transportation, number. Comply with all federal, state, and local regulations related to trucking and transportation, including insurance requirements and safety regulations.
3. Finance.
Determine your startup costs, including purchasing or leasing trucks, insurance, permits, and administrative expenses. Secure financing through loans, investors, or other funding sources if needed. Set up accounting systems to track income, expenses, and taxes accurately. 4. Fleet and equipment. Acquire trucks and trailers suitable for your business needs. Decide whether to purchase new or used equipment based on your budget and requirements. Ensure your vehicles are properly maintained and comply with safety regulations. Consider leasing options if purchasing outright is not feasible initially. 5. Hiring drivers. Recruit qualified and experienced drivers with valid CDLs and clean driving records. Develop a hiring process that includes background checks, drug screenings, and driver training programs. Establish fair compensation and benefits packages to attract and retain quality drivers. 6. Contracts and clients. Build relationships with shippers, brokers, and other potential clients to secure contracts for transporting goods. Negotiate favorable terms in your contracts while ensuring they comply with industry regulations. Provide excellent service to clients to build a positive reputation and secure repeat business. 7. Insurance. Obtain the necessary insurance coverage for your trucks, cargo, and liability. Work with insurance providers who specialize in commercial trucking to ensure you have adequate coverage for potential risks. 8. Safety and compliance. Implement safety protocols and training programs for drivers to ensure compliance with regulations and reduce the risk of accidents. Stay updated on changes to industry regulations and ensure your operations remain in compliance. 9. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity and marketing strategy to differentiate your trucking company from competitors. Utilize online and offline marketing channels to reach potential clients and build brand awareness. Highlight your company's strengths, such as reliability, safety record, and customer service, in your marketing materials. 10. Growth and expansion. Monitor your business performance and financials regularly to identify areas for improvement and growth opportunities. Consider expanding your services, adding new routes, or investing in additional equipment as your business grows. Continuously adapt and innovate to stay competitive in the ever-evolving trucking industry. Starting a CDL trucking company requires careful planning, attention to detail, and dedication, but with the right strategy and execution, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.